Now next thing is that first you have to call this raster images, that is not georeference, open raster, that is your in your test 4. This is not georeference. Okay, now what will you do? The next things is that you have to make a take a 4 GCP point, that is ground controlling points, and correlate with your real projection data. So the first things you have to find out the data. So here see the tools, add points, delete points, move GCP points. So then select the pan, just go here, and here see that this is the latitude 8145 degree, because when moved from here to there and on x-axis alongside, this will be changed, but 25 to 30 minutes and not changing, because this is the y-axis, this is your longitude. So mark the points, select here tools. Okay, now x-axis is your sting or latitude, and y-axis your longitude. So then x-axis is your 81 degree 45 minute, and y-axis is 25 degree 30 minute. Okay, now one point has been selected. You just see the points here, either dx pixel dx, this is 0, this will be so after this is the error factor, and how much error will be lies between what is the range of the error, and how much and which up to the which error acceptable, I will tell you after this geoprocessing. Now zoom out and see, go here. Now x-axis is not y-axis is not changed, only x-axis is a change. Now take again points and mark the this, and this is the 81 degree 52 minutes 30 seconds, and your y-axis is a 25 degree 30 minutes. Okay, now it has been marked. Take the pan and zoom out. Now select the third points, and here the x-axis is your 81 degree 45 minutes, and y-axis is 25 degree 25 minutes. Okay, now again zoom out, now drag here and select the 4 point. In georeferencing, the minimum point as required only 3 points, but it's work up to the 4 points. You can georeference with the help of the 3 points, but when the 4 points are present, then this will be very helpful. Just see here the values have come, how the values have come, x and y. So now select this x-axis for this 81 degree 52 minutes 30 second, and y-axis the same 25 degree 25 minutes. Okay, now the 4 points has been selected. So now next things, here to see the 0 0. Now we have to do start georeferencing. Before starting georeferencing, go to the settings, transform settings. Here the transform types, when you will check in this, some linear, helmet, polynomial 1, polynomial 2, polynomial 3, and these all things are the coming. Okay, polynomial 1 means the algorithms will work on the minimum 3 points, but it will better work for the 4 points. Polynomial 2 means this will work in with 6 points, minimum points required 6, and up to the 8 this will work. And similarly for polynomial 3, it will work minimum 8 and require 12 points up to the work point. Similarly for thin plane flat spline, these are the different algorithm, but we will select here the polynomial 1 because we have the only 4 points. So here the resampling method, different resampling method, nearest neighbor, linear, cubic, spline, because when you these points map points, that is the ground control points, correlate yours with your real type of the date projection. That is, there are two types of projection, that is one is the WGS84 and another is the UTM Mercator, that is the UTM projection. Then we have correlate, then with the method, the correlation method are given here: nearest neighbor, linear, cubic, spline, Leherkar. Each methods have a advantage and disadvantage, but the most popular method is nearest neighbor because it will work within 2 points. So select this. Here the target SRS means coordinate reference system, what you want. There are two: WGS84 and pseudo Mercator, that is UTM projection. I selected the UTM projections, and now choose the path. This is a test 4. Here I am giving the name test 4. Okay, now save. Okay, now do the georeferencing. Then what will happen? See here the mean transform polynomial 1 for mean error is a 3.12694. This is very high. The acceptable range of the mean error is 0 to 0.5. Then we have to reduce, otherwise this map fulfill with the lots of the error, and this is not give you the appropriate result. For this, what will you do? Just go to the view and zoom to layer. Okay, you will see the 4 points. Here 1 point is the move GCP points. Select this, select pan, and this is the my first GCP point. Select this. What will you do? Just move here and there. Just click on this. Just see when here and there move. Then see residual pixels, and this will reduce 1.5453. Okay, just see, you can change this with the help of the 1 points, but image will be distorted, so ratio must be maintained for other 3 points. So 1.5 to 1.3. again zoom out and go to this. See 1.3 to 3539. Here this will reduce 1.16. okay, just keep here. Now again and select the point third. With the help of 1 or 2 point you can adjust, but this image will be distorted because we are taking the 4 points. Now take this, click on this. See 1.1, 1.9, 1.88, 1.40, 0.9 up to 0.9. so just keep here. Now maintain the ratio of the 4 points. You see when 0.85766524. okay, this is the okay. Now this is okay. Now you have to redo this thing. Go to the settings, transform setting, everything will be same. Just okay and redo for the geoprocessing. See here the mean errors from 3 to 0.97. this much better than previous one, but still we have to work on this, and we have to up to the 0.5. then this is the acceptable. Okay, and this is the your task. Keep the map, install the QGIS, and do for this and reduce the error up to the this, and do this far. Okay, Now save this save JCB point as this test4. Okay, now it has been saved. uh, After then, just cut it. It has been georeference from my side, but some errors are I have rectified to 0.9, but your task is you have to rectify up to 0.5. Now layer this, and now open my georeference this. I am going to the test4. This is the test4. Now add and see this is georeference or not. Just see the coordinates is 8.75 and 25. This coordinates has changed according to map coordinates. According to this scale is also look like this, 1:25,000 scale. See, this is the georeference. So when you navigate the points on navigates on this map, see the coordinates are the relevant. So in area that's name is the Mampurganj area. Where is the Mampurganj? This is the Mampurganj area. So when Mampurganj, so you can point here, see the points 81.57, and this coordinates as match with your uh, GPS coordinates. That's the real data. So ground controlling points overlay with your real data coordinates. So this is the advantage and the necessities of the georeferencing map. So today I will stop here, and I will provide the recorded video and map and setup file of the QGIS. Please do these things, and the notes I have already provided. Thank you so much. We will meet next. Yeah. Yes, what is the path and row? Why are you asking this question, path and row? In which concern? I cannot getting your sense of, because path and row, what's the meaning of this? Oh, you are yes, it is showing. I think you are asking related to today question. Today, okay. I will explain that these things. Don't worry about these things. I will explain, and okay, I will individually send your WhatsApp link. What is these things? But today, you have any questions related to today class? Please ask. In you have a problem in any georeferencing or problem in the bit depth or today lecture class, because this is very basics introduction. Now we will reach higher and higher. So okay, thank you so much.